So I did unbox this one for those who did not see. It's in the previous video. This one is actually never seen on my channel. This one is the Kwami of Protection, if I remember correctly. It's Waze. Never before seen. I got Waze. He's actually sitting on top of, I believe, his bracelet. There you go. But his Miraculous has been worn by two different people. One of them being Nino, who turns into the hero Carapace. And then the previous, oh my god, I forgot what they're called already. His name is Master Fu, but I forgot what his title was. But he also wore the bracelet. He wore it even before Nino, but I think he transformed after Nino. His hero name was Jade Turtle. So yeah, there's that one. If you're wondering, these are doubles. There's one there that's his double. There's one there and that's double. These have also never been seen before. Alright. Oh my god, it's so hard to do this with one hand. Judging by the feel, I think this might be Daisy. Yeah, I think this is Daisy. But yeah, this should be Daisy, who again, never before seen on the channel. There you go. There's Daisy. And I think around Daisy's neck is the anklet, the Miraculous that Daisy comes with. Yeah. There it is, around the neck. The Miraculous for Daisy is an anklet, and it's worn by the girl Rose, if I remember correctly, is her name. And she turns into the hero Pagella. I forgot what it was the Miraculous of. Like I said, Waze is the one for protection. I forgot what Daisy is, but Rose is the one that is the only one that wears the Daisy's Miraculous, and she turns into the hero Pagella. God, I forgot her powers. Waze pretty much giant ass green shield. Hence protection. Pagella's, oh god, I forgot what her power is. Oh my god, what was it? Watch, I don't even remember. This is the double, if I remember correctly. Here's the last one. If I remember correctly, I think this one was Sass. Again, never before seen. This is the crazy part. This one has a little backing because he has a weird looking stand. Oh my god, get out. There you go. Here you go. Here is Sass. And he is on his bracelet. But Sass is, forgot what he's the Kwami of, but that's his Miraculous. It's like a bracelet. And his is Second Chance, which is basically, it's like Groundhog Day. You get to repeat. Like, for instance, you've effed up, you use Second Chance, you go back at least like 5 minutes, I think, if I remember correctly. It's like Groundhog Day. That's his power, basically. And there have actually been two people who've actually used his Miraculous. The first one was actually Adrian himself, the main guy who plays Cat Noir. He actually used it first and turned into the snake hero Aspic. And then later on, Luca, that same day, ended up with this Miraculous, ending up turning into the hero Viperion. But yeah, there you go. That is a double of Sass. But anyway, yeah. Really cool that I got new, at least 3 new ones, which I'm really freaking proud of right now. And why won't you come out as plastic? I'll do it later off camera. But anyway, yeah, there it is. Now I just gotta get a few more of them. Long, Bark, Fluff, Stomp, Ziggy, and Orico. And of course, these two, the glitter ones. But other than that, yeah, there you go. Thanks for watching.